Hi guys, here's a quick review on this Stuffins 1996 Chihuahua dog plush. Without further ado, let's get into review. Here's the tag of it. Pretty cool. Pretty nice. Here's the tag of it. $19.96. This has all 12, which this is pretty cool. This set has like all 12. It's just like the 97 set with the fluffy material. This is pretty cool, you guys. This one even has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This one also has 12, so that's cool. And there's the tush tag. Let me just zoom into that tush tag. It says 97 right there. That's kind of cool. There it is. Yeah, it says 1997 on its tush tag. That's pretty interesting. And this tag says 96. That's also interesting. I kind of like that. So there it is. It's beanie. There's the ears. It's pretty cool. There's the tag. There's the plastic nose. There's the paws. The little tail. There is this side. The back. And the other side. Let me show you him up top. There he is up top. And then let me show you him. There he is down to the bottom. It's pretty cool. And that's it. Alright guys, that's the quick review on this Stuffins 1996 Chihuahua dog plush. Alright guys, yes, this is a Mexican Chihuahua plush. Oh yeah, even the belly is white too. Alright guys, bye.